Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Previously I made a video on tool chest for hand tools. If you have not seen, I'll leave the link of the video in the description. Please go through it. You must have noticed that there was no tools for boring. Why I don't have those boring tools is because it is more economical to avail electric drill machine in terms of price, in terms of efficiency of working. So this is what I use mostly for drilling work that you must have seen in my video previously. Electric drill machine. I am not suggesting a brand for that. Any brand will do. Now today's video is all about how to use a Forstner bit in a handheld drill machine. Forstner bits are used for drilling a flat bottom hole, and it provides a very clean hole compared to, say for example, if you're using a spade bit. If you want to make a larger hole, generally people will prefer to use either a spade bit or a Forstner bit. Why Forstner bit is superior to spade bit is because it provides a much more cleaner hole as compared to a spade bit. If we just take a drill machine and if we fix a Forstner bit here and if we start drilling, it's fine, but the problem is that the chances is that you might slip, go off the course in the process because it's a larger bit. So we need some way to keep it stable in the workpiece that we are going to use. So I have some tips for that. Tip number one: the workpiece must be clamped so that it provides a stable surface where we can drill. Number two thing is that we must drill a pilot hole before putting the Forstner bit. What happens when you have a hole, the center part gets into that particular hole, and then you can easily manage it to remain in the same place without moving here and there. Thirdly, if you're using a new Forstner bit, obviously it will come sharpened, so there is no problem with that. So if your drill bit is not sharp, that you can sharpen it using some file to make sure your drill bit is sharp. Point number four: when you drill with a Forstner bit, it's a larger area, it cuts a larger area, so chances are there, if you are cutting on hardwood, so this bit might get heated up. So I think it's not good for any tools to get heated up. So we must stop in between. Periodically we must stop in between. We run for some time, stop it, then again run. So this way you can prevent this heat. At the same time, when you stop it for some time, you can remove those debris or the shavings, the sawdust that comes out while drilling. So it might clog it. So if you want a sharper, cleaner hole, it's better to stop periodically and remove the sawdust. If you're good drilling it all throughout, then possibilities are there that while exiting this drill bit, there will be some tear out. And if you want to avoid this tear out, there are two main ways. Number one is to put a backboard. If you use a backboard, it can prevent this tearing. We cannot guarantee that tearing can be prevented with backboard all the time. So another option is that we must drill it from both the sides. Basically, these are the points that I wanted to share with all of you while using a Forstner bit. Thank you. If you like my videos, please press the like button and down there is a subscribe button. So please make sure you press the subscribe button also.